In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert circle picture hierarchy in Excel. This is a great way to present a team structure, showcase project roles, or visualize relationships using photos inside clean, circular shapes. I'll walk you through the process and share a few practical tips so your diagram looks polished and professional. Start by opening your workbook and selecting the sheet where you want the diagram. On the Excel ribbon, go to the Insert tab. This is where all the visual tools live, including charts, illustrations, and the option we need next. Click SmartArt. The SmartArt gallery opens and groups layouts by purpose, so you can quickly find designs suited for processes, cycles, or hierarchies. Since we're showing relationships and reporting lines, choose the hierarchy category on the left. You'll see several styles tailored for organization charts. From the hierarchy options, select Circle Picture Hierarchy. This layout is designed to hold images inside circles with corresponding text, giving your chart a modern, friendly look. Confirm your choice to drop the SmartArt onto your sheet. You can drag the edges to resize it and position it where you want. Now it's time to add your content. Click the picture icon inside a circle to insert an image from your device or another available source. Square or centered headshots work best because they crop neatly inside circles. If an image looks off-center, reinsert it or use a more balanced photo. Repeat this for each circle you plan to use. Next, replace the placeholder text with names, titles, or short labels. You can type directly in the shapes or open the text pane to the left of the diagram for a quick, organized way to enter content. Keep labels concise so they don't wrap awkwardly. If text feels cramped, slightly resize the SmartArt or increase the overall diagram width to create more room. To refine the look, you can adjust the diagram size by dragging the corners and gently nudge it into place for alignment with your data. Consistency is key. Use similar photo styles and keep capitalization and formatting uniform. If the default colors don't match your workbook, apply a different SmartArt style or color theme to create better contrast and readability. Finally, review your spacing. Check that names match the correct photos, and make sure the diagram remains clear at typical zoom levels. When you're happy with it, you're done. You've successfully inserted a circle picture hierarchy in Excel that communicates structure at a glance and looks great in reports and presentations.